That is better.
Oh, that's better. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Huh? What's the name of this place?
Kilaguni.
Kilaguni. Okay, itong lugar na to ay tinatawag na Kilaguni. Galing lang po kami sa Better Globe Farm right there. Tapos, nandito po kami ngayon. Akala ko makakita po ako ng maraming mga animals, pero wala pa ako nakita. Kasi late na po nang dumating kami dito. Ang napakaganda po dito ay napakasarap ang pagkain at saka napakarasarap.
She should have fallen in Lake Naivasha.
Daddy Dan? Daddy Yan. Wait a minute. Where did I get that done?
That's going to be on YouTube.
I'm looking at you and I'm thinking somebody else. I can't believe it. But anyway.
The sun's bad.
Oh, this sounds really bad. No. Okay. Seryoso tayo ngayon. Mga kaibigan, napakaganda po talaga dito. I'm so glad na napunta po ko dito sa Africa kasi napakarami pong mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko po akalain na mangyayari at magaganap at mapapatunayan. So, isa sa kanila po ay ang pagpunta po namin sa mga farms, tapos marami pong mga animales, marami pong mga hayop, at mga kakaibang mga tao dito, talagang pala kaibigan po. Ang pinakamaganda, food is great. That's the best part of it.
Oh.
You got another one.
We took over my plate.
Can you shop for it and take another one?
The video?
Yeah, we can talk about it.
Okay.
You can Filipino.
Ngayon, mga kaibigan, nandito kami ngayon sa isang napakagandang hotel dito sa gitna ng in the middle of nowhere. That's in English. Pero, I'm very disappointed because I didn't see any animals. I'm tired of these animals. This animal right in front of me is not cute. So I was hoping I would see more cute animals around.
Food is good.
I'm off. Going to find us some folk?
Yeah, very good. Definitely.
Oh my God, still. It's so hot that it's actually ugly.